everything that I had. Memories.
You may know me, you may not. My name's Kane. This is my 03 350Z that I just bought. It's a manual, it's an 03, so it has a CD001, shitty transmission. Let's go over a few of the things that y'all missed. Y'all didn't miss it, I just didn't film it. My bad. Cut the front vents out. Come over here. Almost to my fender liner.
Week's Freon now.
Freon? What do you mean? We added a GK Tech drift button on the handbrake. We chopped the rear bumper. Alright. Just a little bit. I don't like it. Now, we bought a welded diff. A freaking gallon of gear oil. But probably needs new seals. I'm gonna throw bushings on it. But it's welded. It's better than the vicious LSD that we have in this thing that doesn't like to lock half of the time. As y'all can see, today we're doing the oil change and the oil pan gasket. So my oil pan gasket was shot. I had a steady drip. I had a steady drip of oil. It's a little bit of a jump cut, but this night we went to a car meet and then we went drifting afterwards. Just a little donuts, just killing some tires, to be honest. But dude, these air jacks though, oh my god. I lost some money on another Z. We in the editing chair. This video is gonna have a bunch of jump cuts, but this is gonna be my first weekend with the car. Still have traction control, open diff pretty much, etc. Just did like some first gear, second gear donuts by myself. In the Jordan 3s. In the Jordan 3s. Bro, my heart's beating, bro. I'm nervous. Fuck, I know I'm good. I'm gonna hear shit swinging back there. Well, you know how it goes, we got everything in the whip now. Well, you know how it goes, we got Alright, got the Z in the garage. Steering wheel, hub, might work, might not, we're gonna see. Throw the steering wheel in the car.
Did you strip it?
Well,
Don't cross the wires.
what do you mean?
Cross them, it'll blow up.
So how do I fucking do this right?
Huh?
How do I do this right?
Undo it, but don't cross them.
How do I undo it?
Don't twist it either. That'll cross them.
I don't even know, like...
They ain't even point right at the baby.
I'm trying to look at it, dude.
Damn, it's like a fucking weapon.
20 mil. 19 mil. Fuck. Adapter.
Oh, fuck.
What was that?
Just dropped one.
Don't matter. I don't need that shit. Alright, that's cool. And then just put the nut on?
Yeah.
It's gone.
Oh,
Alright. Alright, so my... Alright. Alright, so my roof spoiler didn't want to stay on. It started flapping. So we're prepping it right here. Put some alcohol on it, about to put some primer on it. And then some new 3M. And hopefully the real 3M will fucking hold it. Cause we're gonna need to get a horn button for that. But for the moment, pretty clean, not bad, not bad. We'll probably take it for a little test drive. And then some of these clips back and forth are just gonna be different nights that I went out with some of my homies just to a donut spot next to work, you know, etc. Out in Mexico. Gotta verify.
IVEX was my light on, bro. You didn't say you were getting so close. That motherfucker smiling in this. Barely.
I don't produce. Something you got to keep in mind is this car is stock. Like, I got it as a very stock vehicle. So it's going to be a long process trying to get this thing set up right for drifting. You can see me just pinning limiter in first, or like open diff doesn't want to lock until 10 seconds of full throttle, like things of that nature. But it's an ongoing process, so we'll get there. So this video is a little rough. It's going to be jumping around a lot. I lost about 15 minutes of footage whenever I was doing editing, just the issues of CapCut. I need to find a new editing software. But for the time being, this is going to be the video I put out for the start of the car. We'll keep documenting as time goes. And then I want you guys to let me know if you guys want sim content as well, because I have about 4,000 hours on Assetto. Play the sim a lot. If you guys want sim content, let me know in the comments. Other than that, subscribe, like the video. Then I can make more. You feel me?